What's up everybody, this is Aldi Penlight. This is quite good for your EDC, it's fairly small. Obviously it's not as small as the other flashlight I reviewed. Okay, links in the description to that one. Also playlist in the description of all the other flashlight reviews. Yeah, about double the size of it, very skinny. Probably length of a pen actually. Here's a pen for comparison. Yeah. So it uses two AAA batteries. Don't know why they'll have to print that then, man. It looks quite cheap. Like, this shit is permanently stuck on. Dropped it several times, been beaten about, been in my pocket. Look at this shit. Okay, it's all beaten up. Still works well though. Got a dent in it. Oh well. There's no lens on it. It's just a regular, just piece of plastic, and it's a shiny reflector. No orange peel there. So it's got quite a decent throw. Pocket clip. Though I've had this slip out of my pocket several times. Okay, the clip is very loose. I think you can take it off, but haven't tried it. Tail clicky, rounded switch, so you can't just stick it up and use it as a candle or something. It's just gonna fall on the table. Uses two AAA batteries. Got these shitty Kodak batteries. They're good enough. This is brighter than the mini pen light. Well, obviously, because it uses two batteries instead of one. I think the lumen output is about 80 to 100, something around there. Don't have a thing to test it, so I don't know. So time to test it in the dark. So this is the light test. The whole light just spreads out, no lens here. It's fairly bright. Okay, the battery is kind of dead though, so yeah, but it is quite bright, very good. Good for the dark. So it is quite bright, very good. No modes here, just a single highest output and off, on and off. Okay, no other modes. Yeah, it's quite good, As you can see, it's not the brightest thing in the world, but it gets the job done. It's quite bright, better than that shitty USB pen light I done before. Check the description for that as well.